Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change display color profiles on your Honor 600 Pro. So, the colors are intensely saturated by default and they look almost cartoonish in some scenarios, like some green grass or trying to just get like the old Samsung panels. So what are we going to do is we're going to fix the oversaturated colors here by going into the settings app. So we need to scroll down. Now we want to open up the settings.r right here, and we need to scroll down until we see display and brightness. Here, let me quickly disable sunlight mode. Here we have something like a screen setting section, not settings, and here we have color mode and temperature. Here we can easily change our colors. As you guys can see, they are changing. And of course, professional is almost the same as normal. Of course, you can set it up to yourself. And I'm a big fan of actually going for blue or strictly red. But the normal one here looks okay. And the vivid colors are definitely boosted. You guys can notice the difference, how boosted they are. They look almost cartoonish and not like some real colors. So this is how you guys can easily change it here. Of course, here we have some advanced settings like RGB. So this is the red, green, and blue. And of course, we got the HUE. Here we can change it like this. And the saturation could be like this for an example. Or we can adjust it like that, like contrast and sharpness. So that's how you can easily change everything here. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.